Yo, Capital Bro C, and welcome back to another video, guys. So today it's gonna be a very quick video. I'm not gonna try to make it long. So this video is gonna be basically going around TradingView and IC Market. So IC Market, just quick update, is one of the first brokers we used when we started trading. One of the best brokers you can use. But today's video is gonna basically go around. I've been looking for a way to use the brokers within TradingView because this is where we do most of our analysis. If you're gonna be a full-fledged trader, it's a must use, if I must say. Premium not as much, but basically standard version is a must use. And obviously we use MT5 to execute our trades, and that's, to be honest, that's 95% use now and then Octa, which is an MT5, and Exynos in the past, but IC Market has been fading out. But I want to come back to IC Market, or basically one of the V's. Like if you know the HP3, there's V1, V2, V3. I want to use one of the V's for IC Market. So and I want to basically get used to trading it in TradingView. So TradingView, go here at the bottom. This is where try to dabble a little bit more. Pioneer it is where we write our scripts. I'm not going to show like this, but here's a sneak peek of that. Trading pool is basically panel pool. Is where you can connect brokers to TradingView and trades. But I'm gonna go through everything today, just quick. So we're already a minute, 2 minutes in, but let's get it. So first of all, you have to have an IC Market account. So if you don't have one, the link is down below. Sign up, deposit, whatever bonuses, all that stuff is there. All the good jazz is there. But once you have an account, you can basically be here. So I haven't used this before. I transfer all my stuff, so you can get MT5. So if you sign up, like open live account MT5, this is where you can do it on your MT5 account. Just have the credentials, log in there. But then you have C-Trader as well. So this is what you're gonna have to do. So once you make MT5, you can just say create new live account, create a C-Trader. So this is where you create one. So they will give you a C-Trader, login, password details, all that good stuff. It will be there. So once you have account, basically deposit, go on and go on. So once you have that, you can come back to TradingView. So this is where you'll have to, once you have that set up. So once you have an account, demo, I'm going to show demo today in today's video. My English again. Today's video. So I'm just going to go into IC Market, click there. Now you're going to connect. So this is where they're going to ask you to connect your Gmail password. You can just do that. So once you have logged in, signing and stuff, you will see there's options for C-Trader. So if you have an MT5 account, it won't work. You need to have a C-Trader account for this to work. So there's my C-Trader live and there's my C-Trader demo. So once you have that, you can just sync it with TradingView. Once you've logged in with the password is your IC Markets password and not your trading account password. So once you have that, you can see there is a demo that is loaded and there's the live. So you have to, if you're going to be trading your live account, select the live. If you're trading your demo account, select demo. So there we go. So there we have the demos basically added. So the next step or that you need to know is the chart you have added here is not the chart where you can open a buy order, for example. So if we go here, so this is all, I think it's a handle charts, I'm not sure. But if you go to at the bottom, you add new stuff, you just say add. You'll see there's a new option which is IC Market. This is where basically the charts you need. So if you have any of the other charts, it won't work when you open a buy order. So I'm just gonna add gold. And I'm gonna add GP just to search GP. So there is, now I have two charts. You can see here's the other ones. Here's the normal ones I trade, and there's basically the new IC Markets one. I'm just gonna put it at the top. So if I'm just gonna show you the differences. So if I click this and say buy order, it won't say non-blendable symbol because it's not IC Markets one. So you need to click the top one. So now if you say buy, it will basically there we go. This is just test data. As you can see, they open orders. They just test stuff like that. I'm just gonna cancel this one. So there we go. So that's basically connecting your IC Markets to one. So just as a trade, also you can come here. You can say trade as another step. You can go here. You can say trade at the bottom. Now you can work out your lot sizes. You can buy at basically there. You can stop loss there. So let's just say as a test trade. So let's just do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's say stop loss there, put basically like that, and yeah, so we're gonna say market, say stop loss, So lot size is there, take profit. Or you just double click on your stuff, so your stop loss is around this. I don't have this mouse activated. Price. There we go, then you say buy. And there we go, see there's, it has it up, here's your TP there. So that's basically after all your strategies, whatever, you can just put your like respective stop loss TP, and there we go. And that's basically trading, and if you want to update it, you can just do that live, quick things, vinnige dinge. But yeah, that's basically how to trade your IC market account on TradingView. So why I would use this is because it's easier. Like I said, you can do your analysis way faster than MT5. You can just have it executed here. But me personally, I will still have MT5 because you can have it on the phone, man. PC, you still have to log on. You still have to log on. It's basically much faster to do it in MT5. But like I say, if you have multiple strategies, it's good to dabble here and there on different platforms. So this is one of them. So yeah, that's the quick video. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, subscribe if you're going to be using IC markets, link down below, and pop a comment which one is better, IC markets after you've been doing this, if it's better doing this or on MT5. But yeah, hope you guys enjoys. I'm Capital Bro C. Until next time, peace out.